Okay, a little later than planned. This morning I received a package from OnePlus. So without further ado, let's unbox this package. Really nice presentation case. Never settle. Slide that out of there. Okay, what do we have inside? So inside we have a huge book or a manual. Some information about the specs of the device and some cool information about the device, which I will read later for sure. Really cool way to highlight the features of the phone, which I haven't actually seen before. Inside, they've sent a case, really nice colour. And another case, a black bumper case. And here we have the box containing the phone. Looks rather long. Here is the case for the phone. Looks rather long. Pull it out here. And there's the phone itself. Let's have a look at the back of the device, of the box. Android, 12 gig of RAM. Wow, that's a lot. Should be pretty quick. Glacial green colour. Let's have a look at that. Nice. I love how that looks. Look how thin that is. Feels really good in hand as well. Fantastic. So there you have it. Let's have a look what else is in the box. Get another case. That's 3. Your charging lead, which looks like USB to USB-C. You get the plug as well. Fantastic. And there you have it. That is the contents of the OnePlus 8. Fantastic. Well, I'll leave it there, and I'll be back to you in a few days to tell you how I get on with this stunning new smartphone, the OnePlus 8 from OnePlus. Inside the box of the phone as well, there was some information, including the SIM eject tool and the invitation letter. So let's open that. Always a nice touch. So there you have it.